In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Apple Calendar with others. This can be a great way to coordinate schedules, plan events, or simply keep everyone in the loop. So let's dive right in and make sure you're all set up to share your calendar seamlessly. To start, open the Calendar app on your Apple device. You'll typically find this app with an icon that resembles a calendar date. If it's on a mobile device like an iPhone or iPad, you might have it pinned on your home screen or tucked away in a folder. So take a moment to locate it. Once you have the app open, you'll see a series of tabs or options lining the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Calendars option. This will bring up a list of all the calendars you currently have access to, allowing you to select and manage them with ease. Now that you've tapped on Calendars, look for the section labeled iCloud. Under this section, you should see My Calendar. Or it might be named something more specific if you've customized it. Give that a click to open up the settings for your personal calendar. Next, look for the Add Person option. This is where you can invite others to view your calendar. Clicking on Add Person will prompt a new window or menu to appear, allowing you to enter the contact details of the individual you'd like to share your calendar with. It's usually pretty straightforward, so just follow along with the options provided. In this menu, start typing the name of the person you wish to share your calendar with. If you have their contacts saved in your phone, their name will likely pop up automatically as you type. This feature allows for a quick and straightforward selection process. If their contact info isn't saved, you can manually input their email address or phone number, so make sure you have that info handy. Once you've entered the name or chosen the contact from your list, simply click Add. This action sends an invitation to the person you've selected. They'll receive a notification allowing them to accept the invitation and gain access to view the details of your calendar wherever they may be. And just like that, you're all set. You've now successfully shared your Apple Calendar with another person. This is a fantastic feature to stay organized and ensure everyone is on the same page regarding scheduled events and availability. It can greatly enhance communication and time management within a team or family, so give it a try and enjoy the convenience of a shared schedule. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.